In order to make implant prosthetics, you have to acquire the data. So you can take the data by traditional means by putting an impression material in the mouth, which patients can have a hard time dealing with. Here we have Trios. It's an intraoral scanner. It's a light that's shed on the teeth, and it takes thousands of pictures, and those pictures stitched together to make a 3D model of the inside of the mouth, the teeth, implants. And that data, when it's acquired, is sent to our designing software. On the designing software, then we combine with a face scan that we take. So the Trios will take the intraoral scan, and the face scan will take the outside facial scan, and we put them, marry them together in the designing software, and we can make a smile that looks good in your face. Once the designing is done, then the design has to be produced in 3D into a material that you can touch. In order to make the things on the screen a reality, it has to go through CAM software. The CAM software tells the CNC machine how the drill is going to move, what tool is going to be used, what path, what trajectory the tool is going to be taking in order to carve that part out from a solid disc.